guys, Jack here from iCanPlayDrums.com. Today we're checking out the groove that I played there in the intro video, which is basically a halftime, like a straight halftime groove that is pretty busy and pretty quick. You can think of it in either 16th notes where the backbeat on the snare comes in on beat 3, or you can think of it as 30-second notes where the backbeat is coming in on beats 2 and 4. We're going to go with 16th notes today just because it's easier to learn it and probably easier for me to teach it in 16th notes. So this, of course, is one of the many grooves. This happens at 45 seconds of the Versatile Drummer video, which we put on YouTube some years ago, and we have since turned into an instructional package if you want to learn all of the different beats and fills and solo ideas and whatnot from that video that I demonstrate on the video. If you want to learn it, you can check out the actual Versatile Drummer package. There's a link below. So basically what we're doing is this. It's just a lot faster. All right, so let's check it out one beat at a time. Okay, the first thing that I'll say is that every note that we play on the snare drum that is not the backbeat, so not the rim shot that you'll play on beat 3, is going to be a ghost note. So make sure you've got really, really low stick height, like bouncing this, the stick sort of 2-3 centimeters, something like that. You want a really large dynamic contrast between the accent and the non-accents. And the reason is it's such a busy pattern, as you can hear, the whole time, that if everything gets too loud, especially on the snare drum, which is already a pretty loud instrument in its own right, it starts to sound really cluttered and dense. So try and make sure that you've got a really big dynamic separation between the soft notes and the accent. All right, let's look at it one beat at a time. Okay, we're going with 16th notes or semiquavers. So the first beat, if we just look at the hands, is this: right, left, left, right. All right, that's all it is, and the left hand's down low. Right, left, left, right. Okay, so we have bass drum on beat 1 as well, nice and solid with the right foot. So we have. All right, in beat 2, we're going to have a double stroke that leads with the left hand. So it's just left, left, right, right. Okay. All right, that's beat 2. So far we have 3 E and A, 4 E and A. All right, on beat 3, we, of course, pick up the wrist and we're going to hit our nice solid backbeat and we're going to go left, right, left, left. So that's basically the left version of a paradiddle, by the way. So we have, so it's accent, cowbell, and then 2 soft notes on 3 E and A. You're going to play 2 ghost notes. So that's like this, 3 E and A. And then beat 4 is right, left, left. All right. So you can do it 2 different ways. You can either go right, left, left, kick, kick, and on the second kick, which of course is beat 1 of the next bar, you can play the cowbell, or you can do a double. You can go right, left, left. You can play cowbell on both. All right. So different options, depends what you want. So all up, that's the pattern. Nice and slow. 1 E and A, 2 E and A, 3 E and A, 4 E and A, 1. All right, so it's a nice little linear 16th-y sounding thing. All right. So once you've got the basic pattern down and you can play it at a variety of speeds, try moving the right hand to different sound sources. So it doesn't have to be on the cowbell. It could be on the bell of the ride. It could be on just the bow of the ride. It could be on the hi-hat, of course. If you have a little stacker. or like I just did then, you can move it around the kit. And that's exactly what we're going to check out in the next video. So that's the basic sticking pattern. You can see it's a linear beat. So what linear means is that, well, it's basically a linear beat. On beat 1, you land 2 things together. You land the cowbell and the bass drum. So technically, it's not a linear beat for the linear police out there, but linear basically means that it's basically a straight line of rhythms, and that at no point do any 2 subdivisions land on more than 1 drum. Okay, so a true linear beat would be where you didn't have the bass drum and the cowbell landing together, but who cares? All right, so there you go. That's the basic pattern, and in the next video, we're going to check out how to reorchestrate it around the kit to get a variation like I just played then. We'll see you soon.